and welcome to Star Academy. Dear learners, today in this video, you will learn the difference between since and for. These two prepositions are often confused with each other, but they have distinct meanings and uses. In this video, we will explore the differences between since and for and provide examples to help you understand how to use them correctly. So let us first learn since. Since indicates a specific point in time when something started. Since refers to a specific point in time when something began. It is often used to talk about a period of time that started in the past and continues up to the present. For example, I have been studying English since 2010 and she has been working at the company since 2015. In these examples, since indicate the starting point of an action that continues up to the present. Notice how since is used to specify the exact year or date when the action started. In these two examples, 2010 and 2015 is the point of time. So since is used to indicate the point of time. For indicates a period of time during which something happens. For refers to a period of time during which something happens or is true. It is often used to talk about a duration of time rather than a specific starting point. Since indicate a specific starting point, while for talk about the duration of time. Examples of for. She has been working at the company for 5 years. I have been studying English for 3 years. In these two examples, for indicates the duration of time during which the action has been happening. Notice how for is used to specify the length of time rather than the starting point. In the previous examples of since, you saw that since is used to indicate a point of time as since 2010 and since 2015. But in case of for, it does not indicate the point of time. Rather, it shows the duration. For example, here you can see she has been working at the company for 5 years. For is used to indicate the duration of 5 years. And I have been studying English for 3 years. Now let us see some key differences between since and for. Since indicates a specific point in time when something started. On the other hand, for indicate a period of time during which something happens. The first one is of most importance. Remember that since indicate a specific point, while for indicate a period of time. The next difference is since is used to talk about a period of time that started in the past and continues up to the present. For is used to talk about a duration of time rather than a specific starting point. Since is often used with present perfect tense. For is often used with present perfect tense but can also be used with other tenses. Now let us summarize the key differences between since and for. Since is used to indicate a specific point in time when something started, whereas for is used to talk about a duration of time. This is the main difference between since and for. Remember that since is used to indicate a specific point of time, while for is used to talk about a duration of time. Remember, since is often used with present perfect tense, while for can be used with various tenses. Understanding these differences will help you use since and for correctly in your writing and speaking. Examples of since to make you understand more about since and for. Number 1, since 2015, She has been working as a software engineer. Number 2, since Monday, he has been feeling unwell. And number 3, she has not eaten chocolate since her birthday. Now consider these three sentences and the use of since. In the first sentence, since indicate the point of time, that is 2015. That's the beginning of her working as software engineer. In the second example, since Monday, it is for a specific day. So since is used here to indicate a specific day. Since Monday, he has been feeling unwell. And in the third example, she has not eaten chocolate since her birthday. So her birthday is marked here as a specific time. In these three sentences, you can see point of time, that is since 2015, since Monday, and since her birthday. Now let us see some more example. Now, see the examples of for. They have lived in this neighborhood for 10 years. She has been practicing the piano for 2 hours. He worked at that company for 5 years before starting his own business. Now, in these three sentences, for is used to indicate duration of time. In the first sentence, for indicate the duration of 10 years. In the second sentence, for indicates the duration of 2 hours. And in the third sentence, for indicates the duration of 5 years. Now read these two sentences and guess which one is correct. The first sentence is using since 5 years and the second for 5 years. Yes, you are right. The second one is correct for 5 years because 5 years is only duration, not the specific point of time. As usual, in the last section of this video, there is a practice exercise for you. Solve these blanks and find the answer at the end.